Okay, so it's not even 10 o'clock in the morning and it's already hotter than blue blazes out here, as my grandma used to say. So I thought I would stop and take a little break, give a quick update on where we're at right now. Currently, we have, over the weekend, we built a retaining wall for the dirt that we have to build up around the edge of the pool. We have to level up the ground on the outside of the pool. For one, there has to be a berm. I'm going to try to see if I can get this in the background. There has to be a berm on the outer edge to keep from any groundwater running off. And we found our high point, which is back there. And we built up a little 2 or 3 inch berm on that side. We don't have a lot of rain in this area, certainly not a lot of hard rain, and just the way that our ground lies and where that high point is, we don't get a lot of hard runoff, and the way it's shaped, it goes the other direction anyway. But from that high point, we use a transit level, and from that high point, we found where the level is, and the highest buildup is over here behind me. If you can see this. We built a retaining wall to hold in the dirt. Get this. And that's where we're putting in the soil. I'm going to come around here and show you. That's where we're putting in the soil around it. Now those gaps were left open so that we can get these posts in. Let me see if I can bring it around here and show you. We're putting in these posts which will hold the deck that goes around it. My husband just went to get some different brackets to help hold it. But these posts will help hold the deck that's going to run around the outer edge all the way around. And that's kind of where we are now. And currently, I have been working on this stinking pile of dirt, topsoil, and shoveling it into this wheelbarrow and running it around. I am so sick of shoveling. I am really sick of shoveling. And that's not good because I'm a farmer and all we do is shovel stuff. But currently, if you can see behind me, we have been shoveling dirt all the way around, and then what the process is we shovel it in layers and then water it down and then tamp it down. My tamper is way over there. It's a really heavy cast iron thing that we use to smash it down and make sure that it's good and tight in there. Once all of that is up to the level of this board down here, then we'll be able to put in the underliner and liner. And that's when the fun really starts, because then we can start getting in the water and of course all the plumbing and everything that will go along with it. See if I can turn back around here and show you. Behind me where that blue tarp is just kind of hanging out, protecting the sand that we put there, that's the shallow area. And then if I do this, that's the deep area. And then over there is the regeneration side. I already ordered my plants. They should be here soon. Back behind me over here, if you can see it, that's the pea gravel that was delivered yesterday that will go into the regeneration side along with the plumbing. And we are getting a lot closer. Yesterday, my husband took the pickaxe into our concrete ground and laid in a line for our electrical to go into the pump house. And so slowly but surely we are moving a little bit closer every day.